So once the tune is downloaded, it will start writing onto the ECU. It may take a while, so it is highly recommended to use a battery charger of some sort, just in case your battery drains and you end up bricking your ECU. It probably won't happen, to be fair, especially if you've got a new car or your battery's new, but it's better safe than sorry, I guess. So yeah, once this writes up, then I'll start recording again to show you what the next step is. So after about 15 minutes, it's now at 66%. So yeah, it takes quite a while. Start to get some errors showing up on the dash now. I'm guessing this is part of the process. So if this does happen, don't be alarmed. I take it this is part of this. It did just change from writing to erasing for like a split second, so maybe it's something to do with that. After 21 minutes, we are now at the last 10%, so shouldn't be too long left now. Got another error coming up on the dash. We're on the last couple of percent now, so I'll just keep recording until it's done, so you can see what actually happens. Same errors as before. So here we're on the last 2%. I hope I've got enough laptop battery. Last percent now. Enabling communication among drivetrain, 100%. So if I didn't mention before, I'm doing the stage 1 high torque. If you have any other modules to flash, please make sure to start the car and turn it off and then back on before starting another flash. Congratulations, you've successfully flashed your car. Now go have some fun. Once you're ready for some more power, check out our recommended products for you below. I don't know why I read that back middle to top. Please note that you may have tire pressure monitoring system warning or error stop start. Both of these should disappear after a little bit of driving on cycles of the key. Okay, so let's click finish. So I'm guessing that's done now. I will unplug this. And then I will disconnect the battery charger, close the bonnet, put everything away, and then I'll come and jump back in the car and see what the difference has been.